Hi, everyone. I'm Diane Yetter, your sales tax nerd, and we are back with our next edition in our Women to Watch in Sales Tax. And today I'm thrilled to have with us Cherie Julius, who is the Senior Tax Manager at Uline in Wisconsin. Why don't you go ahead and tell us about your business and what you do there?
Great. Thank you so much, Diane, for having me here today. I really appreciate being able to speak with you. So Uline Inc. is a distributor of shipping and packaging supplies, warehouse supplies, and we also have material handling equipment. And for me, I'm the senior tax manager here, and I oversee mostly sales and use tax, indirect taxes, excise tax, transactions taxes, of the like, but I also have a little bit of variety to my position. So I oversee Canada and Mexico VAT, income taxes, as well as environmental stewardship type fees. And then on top of that, I also oversee some international tax, so transfer pricing, country by country reporting, things like that. So I have a nice variety, but the majority of my time is spent on sales and use tax.
So, can you tell us about something that you've been able to accomplish in the sales tax field that you're most proud of?
I think the thing I am most proud of is several years ago, going to conferences. I love to go to conference, meet people, learn new things, but I've often found it really difficult to find, you know, additional sales tax nerds that wanted to talk about specifically sales and use tax. So what I decided to do is create kind of my own network of sales tax professionals in this area. So again, I'm in Wisconsin, but from the Milwaukee to Chicago network, reached out and created a network of folks that do indirect taxes only. We created a forum, had everybody meet here at the Uline headquarters. So it was a great location to just bring everyone together and kind of nerd out and talk about sales and use tax, compliance issues, audit issues, research, technology, unclaimed property, things like that. Has been, and creating that network of folks has been really helpful for me in my career, to have people that I can bounce ideas off of or questions off of. So I'm really proud of that group, the Indirect Tax Forum.
What advice would you give a woman that maybe is early in her career or potentially looking to get into sales tax?
Focus on the things that you love the most and really gravitate towards those. I started out my career in public accounting and did a wide variety of tasks and really started to hone in on the things that I liked the most. So I went from public into focusing on tax, and then I had a wide variety of tax, and then just decided to kind of focus on sales and use tax and audits. And so I would say just continually drive towards the things that you love the most. I'm kind of a numbers geek as well as a law geek. So when I was first exposed to tax, I literally just fell in love. I'd also say just really the most important thing is to be a lifelong learner, to continually learning new things every day, especially in the field like sales and use tax, where things are literally changing every single day. Forcing yourself to hold yourself accountable, to learn something new every single day has been really helpful for me to flourish in my career.
So, Cherie, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being a sales tax nerd, and thanks for being part of the sales tax community.
Great, thank you so much, Diane.